In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cloudflare step by step. Cloudflare provides many benefits, including security and performance enhancements for your website, but there are times when you might need to temporarily disable it. Let's dive into how you can do this easily. First, you'll need to navigate to your Cloudflare account homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and going to dash.cloudflare.com. Make sure you're logged in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you should be on your account's homepage, which is your main dashboard. This is where you can manage all the domains associated with your account. Take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Cloudflare. Now, once you're on the account homepage, focus on identifying the domain you wish to pause or disable. You'll see a list of domains that are linked to your account. Carefully scroll through the list and click on the domain name you want to work with. This action will take you to the domain's overview page, where you can see various settings and options available for the domain in question. Next, on the domain's overview page, you'll want to find and select the option to pause Cloudflare. This option is typically found under the Advanced section or a similar area depending on any recent interface updates. By clicking Pause Cloudflare, you are essentially telling Cloudflare to step back and not apply any of its services to your domain for the time being. Remember, pausing is different from fully disabling or removing the domain from Cloudflare, as it allows for a quick reactivation if needed. Once you've clicked on the option to pause, Cloudflare will prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure that this is indeed what you want to do. It might read something like, "Are you sure you want to pause?" or simply "Click to confirm." Carefully review this confirmation prompt, and if you're absolutely certain about pausing, go ahead and click the pause button again to finalize this action. At this point, Cloudflare's services for the selected domain will be temporarily halted. And there you have it! You've successfully paused Cloudflare for your domain. Remember, when you pause Cloudflare, all its security features, including protections against DDoS attacks and performance optimizations, will be inactive. So it's always a good idea to assess the risks before proceeding with any changes. With these steps, you'll be able to disable Cloudflare whenever necessary, and you can re-enable it just as easily by following a similar process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips.